Paleo Smoothies. Quick, easy and yummy recipes for losing weight and getting healthy. By Margaret Blair. Want healthy smoothies that are convenient and delicious? This collection of paleo smoothie recipes changes everything. The ultimate collection of paleo smoothie recipes. If you are committed to any kind of paleo diet, you need this book. You will get a huge collection of delicious smoothie recipes that you can prepare in 2 to 4 minutes. Inside this book you will discover health benefits of the paleo diet, 5 reasons you should drink smoothies, making smoothies a part of your life, recipes for green paleo smoothies, blueberry paleo smoothie recipes, avocado paleo smoothie recipes, and much more. Look what our readers say. Don't wait another second. Get your copy of Paleo Smoothies, quick, easy and yummy recipes for losing weight and getting healthy right now. Click the link in the description below.